Good day, traders. We will be trading pocket option using extreme signals from ultimatefxtools. We got good previous trading results from our past trades with almost 80 to 90% chance of profitable trades. Extreme signals really deliver good trading quality signals with advanced filtering methods. You can also scale up previous trading results with its non-repainting arrows. It is best to wait for the signal to pop up. Whenever it says call, it means a buy alert signal, while put means a sell alert signal. Let us check our Euro USD and how much its payout. We have a good trading ROI here, with a 91% good trading signal. A long red bar here, and it is an excellent spot to trade and go for higher. Got good results for that trade. Let us wait for another signal to pop up. CAD CHF has a sell signal, but it only offers 63% in return. It is best to trade for at least 80% profit or higher. USD CHF a 1-minute call alert. A 75% in return. Let us try to trade with it. It goes up for this. Hope that it will go up for several bars. Oops, it creates another long red bar. It's a 50-50 situation here. I got lost on that trade. But anyway, this indicator is really good as long as you have money management for daily trading and daily stop loss.